Alright guys, yeah, so I just found a new method of getting your 4,000 watch hours so easy on YouTube. Yes, now I've been on YouTube for several months. I never knew this method actually works on YouTube. Yes, to be frank, with this method of getting watch hours, all you need is your YouTube app and then Google. Okay, you're going to make use of this two things, right? And you know what? This method is actually good for people who are so scared of using Restream to get watch hours. Also, it is good for people who don't have time to do live streaming. You understand? And secondly, it is good for people who want to do live streaming, but they are feeling shy of showing their face on camera. So if you're new on this channel, my name is Prince. But welcome. On this channel, all I do is to help you to grow your YouTube channel and then make money online. Okay, so I know how it feels when you're not getting watch hours on YouTube. Okay, there are so many ways of getting your 4,000 watch hours. That is posting long form video and so on and so forth. Okay, and one of the ways of getting 4,000 watch hours is doing live stream, right? But the problem with the live streaming is that there are a lot of people who feel shy to show their face on camera or live stream. Okay, as in they set a camera and then they show their face, talking as I'm talking. Yes, there are people who feel shy to do that, right? So, and also there are people who do not have time at all to do the live streaming. You understand? And there's this method called Restream, but there are people who also are so scared to use the Restream to get watch hours on YouTube. Okay, that is why this new method is there for you. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to actually go about it. Okay, so this new method is also about live streaming. Okay, but for this particular method, you are not going to show your face, you are not going to do Restream. Okay, you are going to do everything on the YouTube app itself. Okay, now there are certain features on the YouTube app that I never knew they actually existed. Yes, to be frank, I've been on YouTube for a while, but I never knew they existed, and that is what I'm going to show you. Okay, so what you are going to do is that you are going to get an image, a beautiful picture, right? Yes, and then you'll take it to our YouTube app. Okay, and then we are going to do live streaming there, right? And for the live streaming we are going to set the picture or the image we got right at our background. You understand? Yes. And when we set it at our background, which is called green screen, okay, we are then going to leave the scene. Okay, as in leave the scene. You get me? Yes, so once you leave the scene, it will be that image you downloaded it from wherever or on your phone, right? That image will be, displayed on your phone screen, okay? So whilst people come in and out, you'll be updating your watch hours, okay? Don't worry, I'll be showing you how to actually go about it, okay? So now what you're gonna do is that if you are able to try this, about 5 hours every day, trust me, it is really going to help you to get a lot of watch hours. I know a lot of people who have been able to get a lot of watch hours from this particular method that I am showing you right now. Okay, so guys, if this is something you find interesting, do what, like this video and also subscribe to this channel. So I'll go to my phone screen and show you step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. But please make sure that you follow the entire video so that you don't make any mistake. Okay, if you make a mistake, you are just playing with your watch hours. Okay, please make sure you watch this video to the very end so that you don't make any mistake. You go to Google, right, and then you search for pesos.com, right? Yes, so this is the website of pesos.com, right? Okay, so now when you come to pesos.com here, you are going to see a lot of pictures here, beautiful pictures here. Okay, and what you are going to do here is that you are going to download one of them, which is very nice. Okay, choose a picture that is very nice. Okay, so we are going to use it for our green screen or our background for the live stream. Okay, don't worry, you'll get there soon. So if you want a special type of picture, you can even search for it. So let me search for flower. All right, so you see when I search for flower, there are lots of pictures related to flower here. Okay, so this one is very attractive, so I'm going to download this one. All right, so as you can see, I've downloaded my picture. Okay, so the next thing to do is to go to YouTube app. Okay, all right, so you go to your YouTube app. Yes, then when you go to your YouTube app, you then click on the plus sign here.
So you are going to see video, you are going to see short, and also going to see live, right?
Yes, once you click on live, what you're going to do next is to change your title. So you click on this bar here, and then you do it something like silent live stream. Okay, then you add some emojis or any title at all. It is accepted. Okay, yes, and make sure that it is on public. Okay, yes, but I'll put it on unlisted because this is just a tutorial, right? Yeah, so once you do that, the next thing is to do your thumbnail, right? And for your thumbnail, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use a picture I downloaded. Great. So this is a picture I downloaded. I'm going to use it as my thumbnail, right? And then I'll click on save. All right, so you can see my thumbnail is there. Okay, so you can also design your thumbnail from Canva or where you have been editing your thumbnails, right? Yes, and it is advisable to use a thumbnail that is related to the live stream. You get me? So once you are done with that, what you are going to do next is to click on next, right? All right, so once you click on next, you then choose no, not made for kids, right? And then you click on go live. All right, so we are live, right? Yes, we are live, but I have to mute the sound here. Okay, so we click here to mute the sound. The reason I'm muting the sound is that this is a silent live stream. We don't want them to hear our voice. We just want them to watch the picture that we are going to be displayed very soon. Okay, that is why you have to mute the sound. Okay, so once you've done this, the next thing is to click on this one here. This is called green screen. It is a feature by YouTube that most people don't know about. Myself, I didn't know about it. So I'll click on this one here, green screen. Great. So the custom green screen has been displayed. Sometimes due to the network, it can delay. Okay, so when it's delaying, all you have to do is to click on down this one here. Okay, and then come and click on the green screen symbol again. So let me click on it. Great. So you can see you're now here. Okay, so let me tap on it. This is what I'm talking about. As you can see, my background, Charity is now at my background. So also you allow it to stay for about 5 hours to 10 hours, and by the time you are going to get some watch hours. Okay, so let me leave the screen and show you how it looks like. What you are seeing now is very, very beautiful. So anyone who comes here will be like, what is going on here? They'll watch for a while and then they leave. Then you accumulate your watch hours. You get me? So this is what I'm talking about. It is 100% legit. There's no problem with it, and you need to try it. Okay, so as you can see, I am back. You get me? So this is basically what we are going to do it. One good thing is that you can also change the picture. You can even use your own picture. It's no problem. So this is my own picture here. Let's click on it. You can actually put any picture there. Okay, but the best thing is you use something that it's so nice for people to keep watching, right? Yes, like this particular one that you are seeing. Okay, so once you're done, all you have to do is to click on this one here. Done, right? Do it every day, and trust me, you're going to get some watch hours. All right, guys, so this method is going to help you to get watch hours very quickly. Okay, and now you may be wondering, Prince, is this method saved? Yes, it's actually saved, right? As you know, we did it on the YouTube app. Okay, so there's no problem with this particular method. It is just like doing live streaming, right? And then you leaving the scene. Okay, as I've left here, right? Yes, and your background showing. Okay, so maybe your background is not nice. Okay, so all you have to do is to put the image, the beautiful image there. Okay, just not to make it boring. So as people come in and out, you get your watch hour. So you can feel free to use it. There's no problem. Okay, however, if you also want to try the other method of getting watch hours on YouTube, which is Restream, you can also watch this video right here, and it's really going to help you understand. And if you want me to restream your videos for you, to feel free to check the description of this video and then send me an email. I'm going to restream your video for you, but by the way, it's not going to be free. it's going to be paid. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. My name is Prince, and then see you another time.